blah blah blah, small eyes, and I'll be your host for today. Let me introduce you our contestants for this week.
First up, we have #buffboy. Next, we have Tall is my middle name. Last but not least, we have Pants High, Socks High.
Now let us view the video introducing our contestants to Colugos.
Colugos are arboreal gliding mammals found in Southeast Asia. The Colugo belongs to the family Cynocephalidae and order Dinoptera. These are the only two known species of Colugo, and they are the closest living relatives to primates. They are extremely competent gliders and use flaps of extra skin between their limbs to glide from one tree to the next. The average Colugo can grow to about 35 to 40 cm in length and weigh about 1 to 2 kilograms. They have large, front-focused eyes for excellent binocular vision and small rounded ears. Their gliding membrane, or patagium, is as large as geometrically possible to give them maximum lift. Colugos are surprisingly poor tree climbers and rely mainly on gliding to move from one location to the next. Their shy and nocturnal nature means they are mostly active at night. They are herbivores which feed on leaves, shoots, fruits, flowers, and sap of trees located in tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. The Philippine flying lemur is vulnerable due to destruction of lowland forests and hunting. It is hunted for its meat and fur. It is also hunted by the Philippine eagle, which depends heavily on Colugo for food.
Now onto the rules of today's game show. Contestants will have to answer a set of multiple choice questions which they have to answer within a stipulated period of time. Choosing the correct answer is 1 point and no point will be given for a wrong answer. The person with the lowest number of points at the end of the game show will have to do a forfeit. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Question 1. How many species of Colugos are there in the world? 1. Infinity. 2. e to the power of 2k pi I. 3. Cosine pi over 4 times 2 square over 64 to the power of 1 over 6 times square root 2 factorial. 4. 22 over 7. Time's out. Show your answers. Question 2. What is the current status of Colugo? Is it number 1, available, 2, single, 3, least concern, 4, busy or away? Time's out. Show your answers. Question 3. What are the names of two species of Colugo? 1. Malayan flying lemur. 2. Flying democracy Colugo. 3. Philippine flying lemur. 4. North Korean flying Colugo. Time's out. Show your answers. Here is a fun fact about Colugos. Do you know that Colugos are also called flying lemur? However, they are not closely related to the true lemur found in Madagascar. Question 4. Flying lemurs are classified in the order Dinoptera. What are the definitions of the Greek words derma and terra? 1. Derma, derp, and terra, pi. 2. Derma, skin, and terra, wing. 3. Derma, derma, and terra, tiara. 4. Derma, derma, and terra, poop. Time's out. Show your answers. Question 5. What causes the decline in Colugo population numbers? 1. Deforestation. 2. Hunted by human and critically endangered Philippine eagles. 3. Competition with plantain squirrel. 4. Nothing. Time's up, show your answers! Question 6. What do Colugos feed on? 1. Brains. 2. Lee Ji-yoon. 3. Cookie, gummy bear, chocolate and marshmallow. 4. Leaves, flowers, fruits and sap. Time's up, show your answers! Question 7. Who eats Colugos? Choose as many options as you want. 1. Human. 2. Cookie Monster. 3. Philippine Eagle. And 4. Lee Ji-yoon. Time's up, show your answers!
We have tabulated the scores and the results are out. For the third place, we have #BuffBoy. And second place, we have Tall is my middle name. And first place, we have Pants High, Socks High. Unfortunately, #BuffBoy has to do a forfeit because he has the lowest points. We've come to the end of this week's edition of Colugo Factor. I'm your host, blah blah blah, small eyes. And thank you and have a good night.
Wait, don't go yet. Let's see what Pants High Socks High, the winner of the Colugo Factor, has for us. He is now known as Professor Poofy Pants. Let's welcome him.
Hello everyone, my name is Professor Poopy Pants, and today I will be delivering a conservation message about the Colugo. As you know, both the Malayan flying lemur and the Philippine flying lemur are listed under the least concern on the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. However, the Colugo numbers are in fact declining due to habitat loss. Despite their declining numbers, experts say that both species are not declining at a rate fast enough for them to be placed under the threatened category. Commercial logging is a real threat for the Philippine flying lemur, and in certain parts of the Philippines they are considered bad omens and are even hunted down. They are also hunted down for their fur. The Philippine flying lemur is preyed upon by the endangered Philippine eagle, and it's said in some studies that 90% of the Philippine eagle's diet consists of Philippine flying lemurs, and there will be a drastic effect on the local ecosystem if anything were to happen to the Colugo population. The situation is very much similar for the Malayan flying lemur. It has been threatened by hunting activities, and in fact, in addition to that, has to deal with competition from the plantain squirrel, of which it shares similar ecological niche. Fortunately, the Colugos are protected under national legislation. However, Colugos are still hunted down, and deforestation still threatens their population numbers. So you might ask, what can we do to conserve the Colugos? Well, for start, if you have any friends in Malaysia or in the Philippines, you can tell them to stop hunting Colugos. Well, this comes to the end of my conservation message. I am Professor Poopy Pants, signing off. Thank you.